Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. So, when we talked yesterday, the market was up around the 9-day pivot, up in that 87, 88, 89 area. We did move up higher, about another 1%, and stalled out right around 96. Pulled back pretty sharply from there, but then found that higher low that I talked about at 83. So, I said yesterday, if you want to get long, you got to get patient. Rather than buying that 3% up open, which you could have done, but you would have gone up and you would have got round trip back to 83, and you would have started feeling pretty bad about yourself around 3:10, 3:15 in the afternoon. So it's better to be patient. Pick your spots, with some day trading along the way, but wait for that higher low, and that's when you come in and buy. And right at the close, it surged back up, and we closed up around 91.5 with a real big rally on the close. We continued moving higher overnight. We're currently trading 1195.75. We traded as high as 1200. It stalled out at the 9-day pivot, which is 1199.25. Pulled back to the daily pivot. Today's daily pivot is 1185.67, so just a little bit shy of that. And then it ran right up into that resistance zone that I've been talking about, from 1204 to 1208, which are multiple fib levels, and now you can throw the 20-day pivot in there at 1204.75. So it traded as high as 1206, so right at the midpoint of the zone, and has backed off as low as 1192.75, and we're making a little bit of a bounce right now, 1196.25. So at this point, the market looks strong, but I have to say, we're definitely not overbought, but you need to be careful in here. I could easily see a sell-off down to 1183 again to retest that level before making any more progress above. I think our range is set right now. Right now, the range is 1206 to 1183. So be aware of that. Trade what you see, use stops, and be hedged. I think this is a day, we may see a little bit of consolidation today in a fairly tight range. Be prepared for that, and just trade what you see. Let's do support and resistance. Let's see, upside first from 1195 half, 1200, then the 1204 to 1208 zone, and if we get through there, if we get through 1208, then we start talking about the gap fill up at 1213 to 1214. Recall it was either last week or the week before when we had that gap down. I said when we get back there, whether it's tomorrow or a few weeks from now, watch how the market reacts to that 1213 gap. So 1213 to 1214 is very, very important. If we fill it and come back down, we could see some lower highs in the market. If we get through it, maybe not on the first try, but maybe on the second try, if we get through it, then you're looking at 1217, 1220 to 1221, and 1228. So 13 is key. On the downside, 1192 half, 1188, 1185.67, 1183, which is your 45-day pivot, and it's also a 3, which is very important to us. In the chat room, it's one of UB's big rules, the rule of 3. That's on the website. He's done some videos on it. It is very, very instructive and very, very profitable to learn that rule. Below that, 1178 half, and then 1173. So Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here for Mr. Topstep. Everybody have a great day. Trade them as you see them. Trade them well, and I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. Have a good one.